Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate total of numbers in filtered data. Here in this Excel sheet I have the detail of expenses that has the date, expenses category and amount. In the C1 cell the total expenses is calculated. And here in this data if I want to know the total of expenses for a particular category, then I can use here data filter. Click on data tab, then filter, and if I select here a specific category, for example shopping, I need to calculate the total for shopping category only, but this sum function is still giving the total for all the expenses. In case of filtered data we have to use a different function, that is the shop total function. Let me delete this formula from here, then press equal to, type shop total, bracket open. In the function number we have to select the type of calculation. Here I need the total, so I have to select this sum function which is in the number 9, then put a comma. In the reference select the expenses range, that is from C3 to C50. So put here C3 cell reference to C50, close bracket, then press enter, and this is the total for shopping category. If I select here a different category, for example food, the total now change. If I select here multiple categories like food and transport, this is the total for the selected category only. If you clear the filter from here, then you will get the total expenses again. So this is how you can calculate the total in filtered data in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this function, you can download this sample data from the link given in the video description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are visiting this channel for the first time. Thank you very much for watching.